Welcome student. Today I start lecture 3rd on topic the Schrodinger time dependent equation, which is the topic of paper 1. The name of paper 1 is Element of Modern Physics, and the unit 2nd. In the previous period we already Schrodinger time dependent wave equation, that is the I h cross del psi by del t is equal to minus h cross square twice m del square psi by del x square plus v psi. Here psi is the wave function, h cross is nothing but h by 2 pi, h is the Planck constant, here m is the mass of particles which is move under the force. Here psi is the, in this case the psi is the function of x and t. Psi is the function of x and t, because this is the one dimensional Schrodinger time dependent equation. Why this is called time dependent equation? Because the wave function psi depend on the space coordinate x and time coordinate t. Then here we know already how this Schrodinger wave equation of time dependent wave equation obtained. We assume the motion of the free particle. What is free particle? The particle on which no any force is acting, which is its motion is just like simple harmonic motion, and we know the equation of that in term of wave function. Then we apply the Planck's hypothesis, that is E equal to h nu, and also use the concept of total energy, that is the total energy is nothing but the addition of kinetic energy plus potential energy. The total energy is capital E, kinetic energy is half mv square plus the potential energy is V. Here this is called the potential energy. Then in this way we obtain this equation, one dimensional Schrodinger time dependent equation. By using this equation we obtain three dimensional wave equation, that is the free particle move in three dimensional box or three direction x, y, z. Also you know del is Laplacian operator, and this del is nothing but I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z. Then the del square is nothing but del square by del x square plus del square by del y square plus del square by del z square. This del is nothing but a Laplacian operator. Put the value of del, that means we obtain by using the Schrodinger time dependent equation in the one dimension, then obtain three dimension, that is I h cross del psi by del t is equal to minus h cross square twice m. Here the del square, that means the del square by del x square plus del square by del y square plus del square by del z square psi plus v psi, that is I h cross del psi by del t equal to minus h cross square twice m. This term is nothing but del square, that is del square psi plus v psi. Here observe the equation 2. Equation 2, psi is the function of x, y, z and t. X, y, z are the space coordinate and the t the time coordinate. Therefore, the equation 2 is called the Schrodinger time dependent wave equation in three dimension. Then these are the equation 1 and 2 called as the Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. Then for free particle when the free particle under the action of force. Then when these equation obtained in case of free particle. In the particle on which no any force is acting, that is called the free particle. In this case, the potential energy is 0. The potential energy is 0. When we put the value of potential energy 0, we get the equation 1 written as I h cross del psi by del t is equal to minus h cross square twice m del square psi del x square, and this is the equation for one dimension, that is psi is the function of x and t. Then also from equation 2, the Schrodinger time dependent equation in 3-dimensional, in case of free particle, put the value of V0, we get I h cross del psi by del t equal to minus h cross square twice m del square psi. Here equation 3 and 4 called as the Schrodinger time dependent equation in case of free particle. Then we obtain Schrodinger time dependent equation in term of operators. We know operators. The operators, suppose here the del by del x sin x is equal to cos x. That means operator change the function one form to another form. Therefore, we obtain the Schrodinger time dependent wave equation in term of operator, that is, here observe, this is the equation 2. Equation 2 is the Schrodinger time dependent equation in term of 3 dimension. Also this equation written as in this way, I h cross del psi by del t is equal to minus h cross square twice m. This is the value of del square psi plus v psi. This equation write down in this way, I h cross del psi by del t is equal to minus h cross square twice m del square plus v psi. Then your aim is this equation write down in term of operator. Here it is I h cross del psi by del t is equal to minus h cross square twice m del square plus v is psi. Here put capital E, that means the energy operator is nothing but I h cross del psi by del t, and the capital H, here in this case this is the energy operator. This is called energy operator, and here this H is nothing but minus h cross square twice m del square plus v. This is called Hamiltonian operator. This is called a Hamiltonian operator. Therefore, we put the value of energy operator and the Hamiltonian operator. The Schrodinger time dependent equation is written as E psi is equal to S psi. This is called Schrodinger. This is called Schrodinger time dependent wave equation in term of operator. In term of operator, here keep in mind the E is nothing but energy operator, H is nothing but Hamiltonian operator. The value of E is nothing but I H cross del by del T. The value of Hamiltonian operator, that is the capital H, is nothing but minus H cross square twice m del square plus V. Here V is nothing but potential energy, and today stop here. Thank you.